Hey friends, we are here for a super exciting video. I'm sure you saw the thumbnail. I don't know what I'm going to title this video yet, but we are going to stuff Mini Madness, which is completed, and we're going to start a brand new challenge. So let's get everything out. Let's show you what we're doing today. I'm very excited. Okay, so we are starting this binder from Ren. So this box I actually had, it does not come with this box, but I put it in this box because this binder actually comes with these little card decks, and so I just put it in here to keep everything together. And then I'm either going to put the money just in this box, or this binder also does have an envelope in here, so I might just put the money in that envelope. We'll see. And then this was around the binder as well. But this is the Slow and Steady in 2025. So it's a 2025 Savings Challenge book. It's from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets and Champagne over at Champagne's Corner. You guys know they collab on a lot of their binders, and yes, I'm super excited to do this. I got this a long time ago, and I just love the variety of challenges. And yeah, this is my next large challenge. As you know, I finished the Skelly book. It saved me over $1,500. And now we're bumping up the savings to 2025. I don't know. In fact, I probably won't finish this by the end of the year, but that's okay. I'm just gonna work on it slow and steady, just like it says, and yeah, little by little we're gonna get there. So to start, we're gonna put a big chunk in here from Mini Madness that we completed. So let's see, we have, I want to say 300, a little over 300 from Would You Rather. This was my last Mini Madness challenge that I did, and I am going to be starting a new Mini Madness, and once that Mini Madness is completed, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, put that money probably towards this as well. But let's see how much we have. So we have 51, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 260, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 309, I think. I'm actually going to go ahead and condense that. There's no reason to have all these small bills in here. So let's take 309. So 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5. There we go. Okay, perfect. So we have 309. So this is going to give us a super big head start here. And again, since all the money is going into this same binder, we're just going to put 309 on the calculator, and we are going to subtract as we go. And we're gonna hope that I don't forget to subtract. So I don't exactly know how I'm gonna do this. I think I'm just gonna try to get to, you know, do like a little in each challenge. I think I'm gonna be able to do that today, obviously, because I have such a large amount. And then maybe in the future, I'll kind of roll a die or something. I don't exactly know. But for now, let's start on page 1. Okay, so second Sunday savings. So it looks like you're saving the second Sunday of every month of the year. Let's see, we have some alphabet cards here and then some number cards. I just have to kind of familiarize myself with what I'm doing. So here's where we use the alphabet cards. Okay, and this is what we use the number cards for. So let's see, for this challenge, let's go ahead and try to knock off some of the biggest numbers here on these challenges, since we do have such a large amount of money. So it looks like the biggest number on here is 14. So let's go ahead and knock off 2 14s, so that would be 28. And then let's do 2 13s, which would be 26. Okay, and I guess let's move on. Like I said, I'm kind of flying by the seat of my pants on this one, you guys. I don't know exactly how much I want to do on each challenge, so yeah, we're just kind of rolling with it. Also, this video needs, well, is technically, I would like this video to come out today, and it's 12:30. I usually release my videos at 3:30, so I have to film this and edit this in 3 hours, so yeah. Okay, so the alphabet challenge, it says draw an alphabet card and save the corresponding amount. When you've finished, you'll save $3.51. This is a big one. Let's hope we get the Z or some of the later letters, because again, we have money today, baby. So let's see. Okay, so we have F for 6, so -6. K is 11. C, of course we're getting all the small letters. Okay, let's see. U, okay, that's good, 21. T is 20, okay. Let's go. I is 9, no. -9, okay, 185. Let's do one more, let's go here. N, okay, so that's 14. Okay, so we're already down to 171. Ouch. The money goes fast. Okay, let's see. Draw a number card, save that amount, and track using this page. Pull each card 6 times. When completed, you'll save $3.30. Wowza. Okay, so let's see. 1 through 10. So we want 10s. I feel like, should I cheat and just do a bunch of 10s? No, I'll pull the cards because that's more fun, right? Okay, so let's see. 2, 4, 8. Okay, so 2, 4, and 8. So that's -14. And let's do one more. 6. Okay. So -6. All right, so we're down to 151. This video, I'm feeling like it's pretty boring. Oh, okay, while I put these cards back, I don't know if these cards are used for any of the other challenges in here, but while I put them away, let me tell you, I did post a little community post as well as a post on Instagram. The Etsy shop is going to close. Now I don't know because I didn't pre-plan to say this. I want to say on July 30th or 31st. So you guys know I am going away on August 3rd. The Etsy shop is going to be closed, or I should say the last day to order physical items is July 30th or 31st. Again, I want to say the 31st. Check either my Instagram or my community tab over here on YouTube for the exact date. But that's going to be your last day to order physical items because I'm going away. From now until then, there is a sale up in the Etsy shop. So if you want to grab anything, now is the time. And then, of course, everything will be available once I return. But just so you guys know, the Etsy shop is going to be closing for a little bit. And while I am away, digital items will still be available. So, yeah. Okay. Find the bird Sam is reading about and save 20. Ooh, okay. So, let's see. Let's hope we find the bird here. Okay. So, this scratch off, I don't know, you guys. It's just like dull, I guess. So we have 6 and 10. So that's 16. We really want to find the bird today is what we really want to do. -8. Let's do one more. Let's go up in the corner here. 3. Okay. Okay, so we have $124 left. We have to move on or else we're not going to get through this whole binder. Okay, so this next one is roll 2 dice, and the gold die is going to be for the top. The white dots are going to be going down as I usually do. And so let's see what we get here. Okay, so 5 and 5. So we got a little hamburger, which is $10. Ouchie. And let's go again. The donut is 10. Wow, this food is expensive. Okay, 2 and 1 is French fries. Those are $2, so not too bad. One more time. Okay, so 3 and 2 is a slice of pizza, which is $5, and we're gonna stop there. Let's move on. Okay, we have another scratch off here. Again, my tool is, I don't know, I guess it's getting dull. I've had it for a while, like definitely over a year. And there's one side that's, I don't know the word, rough or more raised or whatever. I don't know what I'm trying, like, I know what I'm trying to say. I'm just not doing a great job. Hopefully you guys know what I'm trying to say. So I always try to use that side, but like I said, it's getting dull, I guess, because it's just, my tool does not work that well anymore. Okay, let me vacuum this up. Okay, so we got 3, 2, 6, and 9. We're down to $87. $5 for each heart. So let's do 5, 10. So we're just gonna do 10 there. That'll be a good catch-all. Okay, let's scratch again. I am gonna be in a little bit of a hurry also, so because I do have to pick my son up pretty soon. So we have 9 and 15. Ouch. Well, that page is done. Minus 9 minus 15. The lowest number on this page is, oh, okay, values 8 to 15 or 1 to 7. So I guess this side is the lower side. I'm just not even paying attention. I'm just scratching. Okay. Color and save. The total is 100. Wow, there's 25 in there. Ouch. Okay, I'm skipping the coloring right now. $5 donuts, $10 donuts. We got a roll and save. And that's it. Okay, so I feel like we should just get the 25 out of the way because we should, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just color this really quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did the 25, so let's subtract that, and then I have $28 left. Let's go ahead and do this 10 as well. I may just finish off on this page. This probably isn't the best marker to be using because as you can see, maybe you could see, it's just kind of smeary. It's not doing the best job on the lamination, but that's okay. It's probably gonna just smudge completely when I close this binder, but it's fine. Okay, so minus 10. So we have 18 left. We could do 2 donuts and then a 3. Okay, I guess let's do that so that we get something on every page. Okay, so we're gonna do one $10 donut and we're just gonna do some little blue sprinkles here. And then we will also do a $5 donut and we'll just color this one blue. Again, these probably are not the best markers for this, but that's okay. So we're gonna do minus 15 and then we have $3 left. Okay, and so we're just gonna go ahead and color in a 3. Now this page, again, you can roll a die or you can use it as a catch-all, which I'll probably potentially do a combination of both, which is what I like. It's nice to have a little catch-all so you don't have an IOU. And we are done. She does have these little IOU slips in here. I'm actually gonna take those out. I may use those for the regular savings challenges, but for now, we are finished with our first stuffing of this super large challenge book. Yes, I'm so excited. I love this binder. It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait to see how long it takes. I feel like I should write a start date. Where's my little thing? Here it is. I think I'm gonna take a post-it and write the start date and just put it in my little box. And I'm also going to go ahead and just throw these in because I already used those, so that way I don't pick those again for that alphabet challenge. Let's grab a post-it and write start date, just so I could see how long it takes me. What's today? July 21st. Yay! Okay. That is it for this one, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the cards on top. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. I am so grateful for you. I love you guys so much. I will catch you in the next video. Bye!